Your design skills suck. What can we do about it? I'm a terrible artist. I've never been an artist. I'm not good at art. I can't draw a stick figure well. So, naturally, trying to do a bunch of design and doesn't come in my wheelhouse. So, how are we going to make that a little bit better? Let's check out the Add Photo Optimizer and what we can do with it. So, in order to create effective or add images, I'm going to need some help with design. So I'm going to click on the action button in the bottom right, and I am going to click to upload and analyze a YouTube. So let's go take a look in our downloads folder and see what we have there. See if we got a few examples. Okay, create YouTube, right? That is just really blue. Let's see what it says. I don't know. I'm not a good designer. Okay, I'm a social expert. This is a great start. Need some tweaks. Cluttered, abstract, focus on the text, it's the core message, add a visual element. Okay, so it's gonna give you ways to optimize your YouTube. Then I can just go back to Canva, execute what's going on, and move. I'm not an artist, I know my weaknesses. Let's use AI to optimize what I'm not good at to be beneficial. Instead of spending an hour tinkering around with, I just know what to do, go do it, execute, move. To make AI effective, you need to optimize a process. And what process is that? Well, it's going to be yours, what you need to do, and where you can really optimize with AI. So what's important about the AI Factory, our educational community, is this is where we're going to teach you how to do it. Now, there's a couple ways to get these tutorials. One, when you become a BizRise.io Pro member, you unlock every course I have in the AI Factory, all of it. Or you can go to the AI Factory, join for free, take a look around, and if you want to start with a single course purchase, you can do that too. It's up to you. The best deal, hands down, is just become a BizRise.io Pro member. You get the entire AI Factory, you get to use the app, and make sure you join me and hang out live. If you have a question, just ask. That's how I do customer service. I just hang out on live. If you have a question or something isn't working, you know where to find me. Right on YouTube Live or Twitch Live. Huge fan of both. Huge fan of both. And live, when it comes to functionality, and if I'm going to be doing FlutterFlow tutorials, that's going to be on the Discord server, which you'll also gain access to when you become a BizRise.io Pro member. And that's where I'm going to be doing my screen share for FlutterFlow app development, because it's a little tough pushing app development on a live stream. But it's a good place to interact. It's kind of like Zoom, just on Discord. You can ask questions, interact. You get to unlock everything by becoming a BizRise.io Pro member.